So by the way, folks, Dakila is our current champion of the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. And he weighs around 150 kilograms. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big round of applause for Dakila! Here's our challenger. Okay, Ray. Let's start with a friendly handshake with the champion. All you have to do is grab his flipper and shake it. Okay, let's move closer. Hi there, Dakila. Grab his flipper. There you go. So folks, this is how the contest works. Dakila and Rain will compete in a series of tests to see who will be the next champion of the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. The basic rule is, whatever Dakila does, Rain, you have to do it as well. Kung anong gagawin ni Dakila, gagawin mo rin. Now let's ask Dakila, are you ready? Yeah. Officer Ivan, I think Dakila needs some warm-up. Yes, warm-up. Wow. How about some massage? Oh, flipper massage. There you go. Another flipper. And back massage. Wow. So Dakila, are you ready? Oh, he's ready. Okay. So, Rain, it's a turn to warm up. Okay, hands on the seat like this. You can do it. There you go. And then follow my hand, okay? Follow my hand. Follow my hand. Massage. Stretch your arm. Massage. And back massage. So, are you ready? Okay, Rain is ready. Dakila is ready. Let the games begin. Round 1. We're starting easy on you. All you have to do is turn and wiggle. Okay, Rain, it's the turn to turn. Get up. Right here in the middle. Okay, here. Hey, wait. Rain. You have to do it in a sea lion style. Hands on the floor. Come on. And turn. And go. Great job. Folks, round 2. Officer Ivan, can you make it a bit harder this time? Yes, a bit harder. What now, Dakila? Very quick. Come on, you can do it. Hey, Officer Ivan, I think he doesn't have any spare tools. Any other option? Okay. You have to lie down and go under. Thank you, Dakila. Okay, Ray. Yes, get on. Wala na. Ganito na lang. Either swim into the water or lie down and roll. Think of that. Okay, the floor is wet. It's all yours. Now, roll over. Be careful. Ray's still okay. Now tell us, would you like to see more? Would you like to see more? Turn the final round. Yes, this is the final round. You have to watch this closely, okay? Now, what the hula? You have to stay right there and eat some fish. Just kidding. And now what the hula? You have to slide And stop! Before I do it, I got a tip for you. You have to judge your distance and speed, and don't forget one very important thing. Don't forget to stop, or else the water is waiting for you. Huh? Ang lamig pa naman. Stay right here, folks. How about some encouragement for Rain? You can do it. Do you need some help? Okay, folks, count with me. 1. Just like I stop right here. Pero bakit sumobra? Labas ang katuloy. Folks, I think this is the end of the competition. Well, in every competition, there's always a winner. Wow. Thank you so much, Rain, and congratulations, Dakila! Don't be sad, Rain. You did a great job, huh? And because of that, Dakila has something for you. Just give me your hand, because you deserve a juicy fish. Come on. Come on, baby. What are you waiting for? You can eat it now. Come on. Let's give it back to Dakila. Officer Ivan will show you how. Like that. Drop it head first, okay? Closer. Folks, we are the proud, the brave, and the beautiful. Hey, Dakila, now, Ring, your job now is to go out there and tell the world about sea lion, marine patrol, and the good things we do. Folks, let's give a round of applause for Ring and Dakila. Thanks so much, sir. Okay, moving on. The Marine Patrol is based on teamwork. Let us all imagine it is late at night. Dakila and Zoe would search for poachers that have been reported around this area, and their job is to track them down.
Hey, Officer Paul, I have a plan.
What's that, Officer Kate?
Why don't you and Dakila search that way? While me and Zoe will search this area, and let's meet that here.
Copy that, Officer Kate.